apps constantly crashing or freezing on your Samsung Galaxy S26? If apps won't open, suddenly close, show an app keeps stopping message, or your phone becomes unresponsive, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it. This guide works for all Galaxy S26 models, including the S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, and S26. Let's quickly go over the common problems. You might notice apps crashing right after you open them, social media apps randomly closing, games lagging or freezing, or your phone slowing down when multitasking. These issues are usually caused by minor software glitches, outdated apps, low storage, or background conflicts. Now let's fix it step by step. First, restart your phone. This may sound simple, but it fixes many temporary system glitches. Just press and hold the power and volume down buttons, tap Restart again, and wait for the phone to reboot. Once it turns back on, try opening the app again. If the problem continues, check if the app needs an update. Outdated apps are one of the biggest causes of crashes. Open the Google Play Store, tap your profile icon, select Manage Apps and Device, and tap Update All, or update the specific app that's giving you trouble. Updates improve compatibility with the latest version of One UI. Next, clear the app's cache. Corrupted cache files often cause freezing issues. Go to Settings, tap Apps, select the crashing app, tap Storage, and then tap Clear Cache. Avoid tapping Clear Data unless absolutely necessary, because that will remove your login information and saved settings. If the app is completely frozen, you can force stop it. Go to Settings, then Apps, select the app, and tap Force Stop, then reopen it. This refreshes the app's background processes. You should also check for system updates. Sometimes the issue isn't the app, it's the software. Go to Settings, tap Software Update and tap Check for Updates. Tap Download and install if available update. If there's an update available, install it and restart your device. Another big reason apps freeze is low storage space. When your phone is almost full, performance suffers. Go to Settings, tap Device Care, then tap Storage. Delete unnecessary videos, photos, or apps you no longer use. Try to keep at least 10 to 15% of your storage free for smooth performance. Overheating can also cause apps to lag or crash. If your phone feels hot, temporarily remove any heavy case. Avoid charging while using it, close background apps, and keep it out of direct sunlight. Let the device cool down before testing again. If you're still having issues, boot into safe mode. Press and hold the power button, tap and hold power off, then tap safe mode. In safe mode, only system apps will run. Test the problematic app. If everything works fine, a third-party app you installed is likely causing the issue. You'll need to uninstall recently downloaded apps one by one. If nothing fixes the problem, your final option is a factory reset. Make sure you back up your data first. Then go to Settings, General Management, Reset, Factory Data Reset. Unlock your phone, then tap Delete All. This restores your phone to its original settings and removes any deep software conflicts. You should contact Samsung support if apps continue crashing even after a factory reset. To prevent app crashes in the future, keep your apps updated, restart your phone once a week, avoid installing unknown apps, maintain enough free storage space, and install system updates as soon as they're available. In most cases, app crashes on the Galaxy S26 series are easy to fix. Clearing the cache, updating apps, or freeing up storage usually solves the problem. Follow these steps carefully, and your Galaxy S26 should run smoothly again.